It's Saturday before the election. It's been an interesting 3 or 4 months. Never been through anything like this before, but I got to tell you, one of the things that's made this so special is all of the people that have stepped up and volunteered, whether they volunteered for me or volunteered for one of the other candidates. The people of Glendora, when they're asked to do something, they get involved and they take it seriously. We just got a couple of days left. The election's going to be on Tuesday. And I just want to, again, remind everybody it's important that we all get out to vote. Washington is completely out of control, as is Sacramento, but you have a voice here in the city of Glendora. You can make a difference. I've seen city council elections in West Covina a couple of years ago that Mike Spence actually won by 2 votes. So we do have a voice, and it is important that everyone gets out. I'm asking you to call your friends, your neighbors, your co-workers. Let everybody know that we want to set a record on Tuesday, March 3rd for the number of people voting in the City of Glendora City Council election. Naturally, I'd appreciate your vote, but whoever you support, it's important that you get out and let your voice be heard. Thanks.